Have you heard how DNA is used to find your ancestors or used in law enforcement? Well, how about to find the perfect workout, the perfect diet, and the perfect supplements to take? Hi, my name is Trisha Hughes from LIV International, and in this following segment, health and wellness reporter Sonia Azad talks about DNA testing for optimum health.
Most of us at some point have tried something to shed a few pounds.
I always had this 12 to 15 pounds that I could not get rid of.
Experimenting with trendy exercise programs, fad diets.
Never could lose the weight. As a matter of fact, I would gain muscle, which would push the fat out and actually make me look bigger.
Turns out the answer is on the inside.
We're looking at genes that are responsible for your body composition.
Kurt Johnson is co-founder of a Dallas-based company called LIV Genetics. He's also a kung fu master, founder of American Power Yoga, and overall a pretty fit guy.
Extraordinary.
With a passion for helping others get healthy too.
I'm not a doctor, I'm not a scientist. I want to make sure what we do makes a difference.
Since 2012, Johnson says his company has tested the DNA of 11,000 people, analyzing genes to match you with the best type of workout, diet, and vitamins for your body.
This is the biggest, most revolutionary thing that I have ever seen.
Some of you may remember Lisa Hart.
And pulse down, 2,
That blonde bombshell behind Buns of Steel.
4, and down.
Well, now she's 49, a mom, and still a beautiful fitness trainer.
This is my job. I'm in good shape.
But there's a side of her we didn't see.
Working out that often and that intensely, and my face would be red, my head pounding. That was my body screaming at me, saying, please just slow down. You're not supposed to work out that hard that often.
Then Lisa got genetic testing, which is really just a simple cheek swab. The swab is sent to a lab in Louisiana where your DNA is extracted and prepared for analysis. Results are put through algorithms that generate specific recommendations for you.
Then I found that when I was working out intensely, I was working out at much too high of a heart rate, and I was working out for too long of a duration.
Based on her results, Lisa actually needed to do less.
I stopped eating all this bread, which I love bread, I eat a ton of bread, and I gained 4 pounds.
Roseanne's results showed she can get away with mostly low-intensity exercise. But this type of analysis goes deeper, identifying your ideal diet. The bread lover, Roseanne, is more sensitive to fats than carbs.
And you just found that out through this test?
I found out from the test, yeah.
Wow.
Meaning she can eat her bread and do her yoga in peace.
And I know now for the rest of my life. I know what I'm supposed to do.
If I can get them pointed in the right direction, they'll have success. Comes with easy instructions.
Since Kurt isn't a doctor,
I'm the Chief Medical Officer for Methodist Dallas Medical Center.
we sat down with one to ask for his take.
This is the start of something, at the very least, very interesting.
Dr. Leslie Clare told us this type of testing has been on the market for 10 years, but is still in its infancy. And while a different company may get you the same result, their recommendations are open to interpretation.
I don't think these tests are recommending anything dangerous to the patients, not at all. But as a doctor, if you came to see me and you said, I've heard about this test, if I get it, do you think that I'll be more likely to lose weight? And the answer is, I don't know.
I went from being a size 10 to being a size 6.
But what works for Monica won't work for everyone. Makes sense if it boils down to DNA. Sonia Azad, Channel 8 News.
Wasn't that great? I hope you are as excited as I am about the future of optimum health through DNA testing. Check out our website, livgenetics.com, and purchase your kit today.